Robert Bateau. Now, when you head out of town, you need to consider your pets and your plants. Plants need constant care. Your basement dry in this wet weather.
We're still fighting this ice dam problem and water coming into the house sporadically during the day, during the night, all different times. And it's very vulnerable around door walls and windows, and we're still mopping up. And I'm suggesting rather than going up and trying to shovel snow off the roof and things like that, you're just going to have to ride it out. And so we're still doing a lot of mopping up and buckets and things like that. But another hint that I've been giving also is to keep a fan running so the air can be moving around where you have water coming in. So we're having a hard time keeping the water out and the ice dams from damaging. So what we'll do is just turn your fan on, maybe some type of oscillating fan, let it run all day and all night, and that's going to help to keep the air moving and drying that area out constantly, because it's just kind of an unpredictable kind of water flow. So I hope this bit of advice helps to hold off all the moisture coming in our homes this winter season.
Now, Tom Brokaw has a look at some of the stories you'll be seeing.